Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I'm going to do another quick little video of some removal of these door pocket little protectors I put on. I've had people asking if this kind of stuff damages the paint, after you go to remove it, if you have to replace them or if you don't just want them anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and show you here. Really basic. If you can see them, they've already started the edge right there just with my nail. Now it's cold in my garage and I want to show you it'll still work with no heat gun or anything. The goal is to take it off in one piece too, because if it kind of breaks, it's going to leave residue everywhere. So you just get it going. And if you can't do this, hit it with even a blow dryer. I would say stay away from a heat gun just because it's easy to damage the paint. Just heat it up. And then as you pull, you're going to see it'll be stretchy. But you don't want to go too crazy when you heat it because it'll almost turn into like a liquidy. If you heat these things too much. So no really reason to do it. I'm just pulling. I have to use quite a bit of force though to do it. So you just keep pulling. Just don't keep pulling from the same area because it will probably rip. But this stuff's pretty durable too. So easy thing here, you just do about halfway and then tuck it down below the handle and then come up from the bottom and pull it. Very easy. Like I said, I highly recommend you putting these things on when your car is brand new, especially if you have any darker colors. So if you don't have the white or the silver, I would highly recommend it because these areas get scratched like crazy. And here's the piece. See, it came off in one piece. It didn't heat it up or nothing. And it is cold. It doesn't leave any residue. It's smooth. Maybe hit it with some wax if you're not going to put another one on. And you're good to go. It's definitely protected it. Again, you'll notice more on a dark color car than you will on these light color cars. But nonetheless, it's really important to do. If you can see this here, try to see if it picks it up. But I see scratches on this piece too. Like surface scratches, so it's definitely doing its job. For the price these things cost, is cheap, and they're almost invisible, especially the way that the door pockets sit. Can't really tell that they're on there either. So just wanted to share this with you guys. If you guys are putting them on and wondering if it's going to damage the paint or anything, it doesn't. Eventually over time these do turn a slight yellow, so you're gonna have to replace them. But like I said, I've had these on for probably almost a year now and they look fine. They didn't look yellow at all. Okay. So I'm not going to bore you with remove all the rest. I'll go ahead and pop the rest off really quick. Then I'll just do a walk around and show you how there's no residue left. Okay, so let me go ahead and remove these for you real quick. Okay, so here's all the ones I just pulled off. As you can see, there's no residue on them. Came off all in one piece. Every single one took me probably 5 minutes with no heat at all. Once you get it started, it's not too bad. So very simple. So you guys don't have to worry if you're putting them on or if they came on your car and you don't want them on, how to take them off and not damage the paint. Like I said, they're pretty invisible when they're on. So I would highly recommend it. When I get a new car, it's the first thing I'm going to do is put these on just because it's an area that gets scratched very easily with people grabbing it too. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Nothing exciting. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks, guys.